Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this beautiful two-tone black and white 2005 Harley-Davidson Deluxe. This thing is just in amazing condition. The two-tone paint looks really good on this model. It's a very nostalgic looking bike. It's got some pretty good upgrades on it. Paint's just beautiful. White wall tires, wire rims, good tires. It's got the light bar, detachable windshield, got a windshield bag on it there, upgraded hand grips. It's got a speaker system on it for your iPod or iPhone. Just amazing condition too. It's got a twin cam 88B. It's the balanced twin cam 88 with a 5-speed. The Deluxe comes with these nice chrome floorboards with rubber inserts. It's got a mustache bar engine guard, which you can also use as your highway peg there. Been upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines long shots. This is a Softail, the Deluxe is. This one's set up as a solo. The previous owner, removed the passenger pegs, but that's not a problem. If you wanted to ride two up, you just put the buddy seat back there and you put you a set of passenger pegs and you're ready for two-up riding. It's got the Deluxe bags on it, hinged and lockable. I noticed a tiny little peck right here. I don't know how well you can see that. It's a 2005 model, and you just don't see them in this kind of condition very often. Got the rear fender bib where the buddy seat was. The back tire, still got a lot of miles on it. In fact, it's almost new. I like on the Deluxe how it's got the tombstone tail light and then the sculpted turn signals there. Let's fire it off and give it a listen. Bike's only got 13,651 miles on it. It's got chrome switch housings too, so that's a nice little upgrade. Fuel injected. If you'd like to know more about this Deluxe, give our sales team a call toll-free at 888-400-1151. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Got some good financing options, some good extended warranty options, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world. So it'll be easy to get this beautiful Deluxe to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.